Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lainey. Thank you so much for stopping by. As you can tell by the title of today's video, we're going to be doing the finale to my Harry Potter Project Pan. So if you want to see my finale updates, then just keep on watching. Before we do that though, please remember to hit that subscribe button so you never miss another video from me. Before we get into the details of this project and the finale, yes, the mats on my lid are a little patchy. I am testing out a new eye primer and I'm not loving it. So yeah, it's the e.l.f. putty primer, eye primer, and I don't know, I'm trying to test it out with like a brush, my fingers, and different amounts, so I'm still testing it out. It's not a fail completely yet, but if you notice that my mats are patchy, yes they are. This is the finale. I am going to go into a few details of this project, and then I will give you my final updates. This was such a fun project. This was created by Christina Chang here on YouTube. I will link her channel down below, as well as the project playlist, the prompts, everything like that. That'll be down below just for your information. This is the finale. I really hope it comes around next year because it was so much fun, and it's really great to have 4 products just to focus on. So I really did enjoy this. So with all that being said, if I forgot anything, I'll put it in the description box. But with that being said, let's start the updates. So first up, what was the prompt for this one? This is the e.l.f. Flirty Birdie Glitter Shadow. I rolled it in a couple updates ago. I think this was for Extendable Ears, I believe. And I used this once since the last update. My goal was to use it when I put it into the project, was to use it about 5 times per month, and I only reached for this once. Honestly, there's not a lot in here, and I haven't used it that much. And I've just learned I don't like this. I don't like it. The glitter falls off of my eyes, it gets onto my glasses, it gets onto my face. I just don't like it. I'm actually going to declutter this. So I'm glad that I put it in this project and kind of just realized that it's just not for me. Next was Mrs. Weasley's Christmas Sweaters, that prompt, and I had chosen the Urban Decay Naked Skin Foundation. This is my favorite foundation of all time, sadly discontinued. I think I might have found a dupe though, and I'm really excited about it. But anyway, my goal was to finish it, and we started there, and we're done. There's a tiny bit left. It got to a point where I had to unscrew the lid and pour it like into my hand. This is a very liquidy foundation. And it got to a point where just nothing is coming out. There's a tiny bit, but I really can't get anything, and it wouldn't do my whole face anyway. So there's not really a point. I'm gonna miss this foundation so much. I did get a sample of the It Cosmetics Your Skin But Better? Your Skin But Better? I don't remember the name of it, but I got a sample of it, and oh my god, it's very similar to this. I was blown away. I wasn't really expecting it. But yeah, so this is a goal completed. I'm just so glad that I finished this, because it was getting old, and I never wanted to use it because it was discontinued. Okay, so next was House Pride, and for the beginning part of this project, I had my Blue Moon palette from ColourPop in, and I had 3 pans in that palette, and then last update I rolled in, or 2 updates ago I think, I rolled in Just My Luck to just switch it up and do another house color. My goal was to hit pan in Kiss My House, and as you can see, I managed to do just that. It took me an additional 5 more times to use it. So I was doing a lot of green looks, and it's actually quite a powdery shadow for a ColourPop. It doesn't have micro glitter in it like some of the ColourPop shadows, but there is a slight shine or sparkle to it, but it still performs like a matte. So I think that definitely helped, because some of ColourPop's pressed mattes are really, really dense and tightly packed, so I'm glad I was able to hit pan in this. And lastly was the lip bar. This was for Peeves. This was an item that, or a category of product that you used to not like. It is now a crucial part of your routine. I used to hate gloss. We got gloss. My goal was to use this 40 times. I did not hit that. I would have needed to use this an additional 14 times to hit. I just don't like this lip gloss. It's not a gloss. It's shimmery, and I hate the smell. It's got a vague sesame oil smell. So originally my goal was to either get it to the top of this sticker or use it 40 times. Now this doesn't settle easily, but if I kind of scrape along the side and like form my own window, okay, so if I kind of scratch my wand across the side and form my own window, I've used actually quite a bit of this, and then when I stick it back in, it covers some of it, but not all of it. So I think I'm like to about here. So I actually kind of did hit my goal in a little bit of a way. So I'm really glad that I used it. I'm gonna see if my mom wants this, because I don't think I'm gonna reach for it ever again after having it in this project. But yeah, so I'm glad I was able to get some use on it throughout this project, use a decent amount of it. But it's just not a gloss I like. And with that, you guys, that's it. That's all I have to say. No more roll-ins. This is the finale. I'm really sad that it's ending because I really enjoy this project. I really hope Christina brings this project back next year. I will most definitely be joining if she does. And yeah, I don't have anything else to say. So with that, I will say thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to hit like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you like, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!